The feet come like your brains. It control your body. A lot of people don't know how important them feet is. 25 years I've been doing this for. It just come natural, but you know, I go to school for it. A nice lady named Miss Miyagi, she teach me about the different nerve pressure points on the beach, like your shoulder, your throat, your brains, your sinus, your stomach, your back, your kidney, your liver, your womb. All the different nerve endings connect to your body, here, your feet. You don't have to get the full body when you get in the foot massage. So take off the bad energy, out the road. Hellshire Beach is my first priority place. That's where I do my training. All type of people come here. And it's good to on the beach, getting a foot massage, relaxation, you know what I mean? In Port Clarence, Ochi, Negril, you have some people come with their swelling feet, bad circulation, headache, stress, bronchitis, sugar, arthritis. So normally, reflexology just a part to heal your body. It's not like a thing to just massaging someone, you know what I mean? This is a ganja oil for bad circulation. And we got the lavender oil, I also make it at myself. And we also got the coconut moisturizing oil for different reasons. We have oil for headache, stress, bronchitis, sugar, arthritis. And just back massage as well, you know. But the reflexology, it contains the whole entire body. Because the different nerve ending, that's where it come by. So you know, I'm gonna stretch our feet like this. I'm gonna take the energy and throw it away. And I'm gonna heat my hand like this. This is the natural heat. I'm a professional, so I don't really run to certain things. I just do it off of my own. I just come to work when I feel like. I don't work for no one, you know what I mean? I got 3 kids, so normally I'm a mother and father in a one. So I take care of my youth them. So you know why I have to hustle every day and do this work? Because the situation of life. The government can assist us, and if we even build a training center that others can learn, because you know, other people want to learn to do it and want to make money. People want to learn to give a skill. A lot of people want to know what is reflexology contained to their body. You know what I mean? My typical service is about 25 minutes, 20 minutes, depends on the type of work which some people want to do to their body. You know what I mean? So normally, full body massage is for $5,000 for the hour. So normally, half hour for $2,500. So I don't really run down the price like the money, because I got the skill in my head and I got the trade. My name is Leighton. They call me Django the Girl the Mango. I'm from Red Hill, St. Andrew. But I run away from here 14 come on this beach. And this beach, this is how I find life.